Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. We have a cordless tabletop tile saw to review for you. It looks like Kobalt is leading the pack right now when it comes to cordless. I know that Porter Cable did come out with a cordless tabletop tile saw, but it did not perform well at all. I did review it. So Kobalt leading the pack. I mean, Milwaukee, where are you? You don't even have a tile saw in your line of tools. Then you have Rigid. Rigid has a whole line of table saws, nothing cordless. And of course, DeWalt doesn't even have a tabletop tile saw, let alone anything cordless. So I'm excited about this. I think this is going to perform very well. 24-volt brushless motor, includes a 4-amp battery, sliding tray. What we're going to do, really simple. Unbox it, show you what's included. We will assemble the saw, and then of course we will run tests on it. See how many hard porcelain cuts it'll cut, see how clean it cuts, and just check out this tile saw overall to see how well it performs. So without further ado, let's bring the camera up close, unbox this, put it together, and get to testing. Here we go. All right, here we go. Integrated full sliding table, 20-inch rip capacity, 14-inch diagonal capacity, fast and easy setup, your 24-volt max, lithium-ion battery, charger, 4-amp, brushless motor, which is very important with a cordless tile saw. Let's unbox. A nice blade guard. And look at that. The blade is already installed. I like it already. Charger. 4-amp battery. We'll get this plugged in, get it charged ASAP. And here's the saw. It feels fairly heavy. Feels like it is good quality. Keep in mind, I'm not much of a Kobalt fan, to be quite honest with you. I like the tray. It slides nice. Let's install the guard. Charge the battery. Check this thing out. See how loud it is. See how well it performs. That quick. I've got to say, setup is extremely quick and easy. Quick and easy way to remove the fence. Little finger knob. And there you go. Aluminum, not plastic. Now this is a fantastic feature if you want to make a miter cut, remove the fence, install either at a 45-degree or 22.5. Just like that. Well thought out. And then you have this for your bevel cuts. It has slots here. Just like that. Here you have a little water tray for the back of this tabletop tile saw. Something I have never seen on a tabletop tile saw. It helps to disperse the water back into the reservoir. It attaches right back here. I'm really liking this saw. Big table, nice sliding tray, easy removal of this aluminum fence. Let's charge a battery. Let's see how she sounds. Battery is installed. Fast braking. I really like that. It's not loud at all. It's a very quiet motor. And this is what we're going to cut today. River rock, ceramic, glass, porcelain, and we will rip 3-foot planks. We'll take this fence off here, use our square to make our rip and see how accurate that rip is. So let's fill this thing with water and give it a shot. Here we go. unlock the tray here. Absolutely clean cut. Cuts your river rock for your shower pans without a problem. It cuts glass clean as well. I'm impressed. This saw is really good. Performing very well. Let's try some hard porcelain. I'm really loving this tile saw. Fantastic, clean cut. I used no effort pushing this through the blade. Powerful motor, clean cuts, cordless. 24V brushless motor, what else can you ask for? I'm impressed. Kobalt has done a fantastic job with this tabletop tile saw. Let's check for accuracy. 2 3/4. 2 3/4, 3-foot rip, absolutely accurate with this tray. And I did not see this until now. Looks like a fence for diagonal cuts. Nice little storage compartment for that. I like that. Let's see how many more cuts we can get out of this 4-amp battery, cross-cutting this hard porcelain tile. That's a lot of cuts. Let's count. $19 cuts so far. $52, so we have 19 cuts hard material, 52 cuts ceramic. Very, very impressive. I love this saw. It's great all around. 0 complaints. Well, there you have it, guys. I never thought I would say this, but I'm impressed by a Kobalt tool. This 24V cordless 7-inch tabletop tile saw is it's impressive. It really is impressive. It cuts clean. It cuts accurate at a 3-foot plank. Amazing fence. Easy to set up. You get a lot of cuts out of a 4-amp battery. I mean, the only thing I would suggest, obviously, is to buy a secondary battery to have it charged and ready to go. This equipped with a manual tile cutter, a snapper, can do the job for a large floor installation, a large tile floor installation, a shower 3x3, 3x5, whether it's ceramic or large porcelain. You don't need a big 10-inch wet tile saw to complete these jobs. So this will be our go-to for now. We'll get a secondary battery, use this on our job sites, and I will have a future video testing this with one of their biggest batteries on how many cuts you can get. Tabletop tile saw, cordless, brushless, 24 volt by Kobalt. Thank you for watching. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell notification for future videos, and smash that like button. I'll see you next time, guys.